Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Today's video topic is how to auto-detect person face, lips, hair, body and more in Lightroom 2023. First, open your photo in the Lightroom. Click on Develop option from above. Click on the masking icon. Next, click on People. Here you can see detecting people showing. The photo has been detected. Click on the photo. Wait a few seconds. From here, if you click on face, skin, hair, lips and other part of the photo, that part will be selected. After selecting, click on Create Mask. Now change the color of the selecting part. Then go to the mask window above to select another part of the photo. Click on Create New Mask. Click on Select People. Click on the photo as before. Here I selecting lips. Click on Create Mask. Click on the color effect box. Select your preferred color here. Thanks for watching the video.